Good afternoon, everyone. So, today we are going to see the next question of ordinal number lesson. Okay, in the last lesson, we have seen this question number 1. So, today we are going to see question number 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Okay, so here, firstly, we will see that what is the question. Match the ants to their respective positions in the queue with the help of an arrow. An example has been done for you. Okay, so here you have to match the ants to their respective positions in the queue with the help of an arrow. Okay, so now here we have to draw a arrow, and whatever the positions were there, according to that we have to match that ants. For example, they have given here this is the first ant, so they have put the arrow for the first position. Okay, now rest of the positions we will give to that ants. Okay, second, so where is second? Here is second, so we will put an arrow. Okay, then third, where is third? Here downside, so here we will put an arrow. Then fourth, here is fourth, so this ant will come on the fourth position. Then fifth, where is fifth? Here, so we will put this arrow for the fifth. Then sixth, this one is the sixth position. Then seventh, this ant will come on seventh position. Okay, so we will put this arrow here. Then eighth, this ant will come on eighth position. Okay, and then ninth, sorry, this one is eighth, this one is eighth, and this one is ninth, and the last one is 10th. So 10th one is this ant. So in this way you can position the ants. Okay, now again the question is, how many ants are there in the picture? Total how many ants were there? We have to count it and we have to write here. So here we have given the positions and the last one is 10th. So exactly how many ants were there? 10 ants were there. So we can write our answer in this way. So now after that the third question is, carefully see this question. Okay, this third question. Okay, look at the following balls. See here are some balls were there, and the color of that balls are different. What will be the new position of the red ball? Here is the red ball. They are asking that what will be the next position of the red ball if it is placed between blue ball and the green ball. Here is blue ball and here is green ball. So we have to keep this red ball in between these. Okay, consider that this one is the red ball. Then now again listen what they are asking the question. Start counting from the purple ball. So here is the first one, purple ball. So now again we have to count. Okay, again means we have not counted till yet, but we have to count from here in ordinal style. Okay, first, second, third. Now what is the position of the red ball? Third. So what is our answer? Third. 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 This one is our answer. Now our next question is, in the same way, look at the following shapes. Okay, look at the following shapes. Different shapes were there. What will be the new position of the green triangle? See children, here one green triangle is there. They are asking that what will be the new position of green triangle. Now what is the position of current position of green triangle? We will see first, second, third, fourth. Current position of green triangle is fourth, but they are asking that if it is placed between the red square, this one is the red square, and brown heart, this one is the brown heart. Now we have to put this green triangle in between these two shapes, that is red square and brown triangle. Okay, so now start counting from the blue circle. Here is the blue circle, so we have to, this is a dark blue color. Okay, so we have to count from this blue circle. Count it, start counting, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now wait, we have to skip these green because we have placed this green triangle in between red square and brown circle, brown heart shape. Okay, so skip this green circle, sorry, triangle. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So what will be the position for this green triangle? Fifth, F-I-F-T-H. What is the spelling of fifth? F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Okay, so in the same way, one more question is there. We will see that, look at the following children. Okay, look at the following children. What will be the new position of Kartikeya if he stands between Sahiba and Nitin? Start counting from Gagan. Here are some children were there, and their names also they have wrote downside of their face. Okay, so imagine that what they have asked, Kartikeya. If we put this Kartikeya in between, sorry, if Kartikeya stands in between Sahiba and Nitin, what will be the position of Kartikeya? What will be the position? What is the now first we will see what is the current position of Kartikeya. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, what will be the what is the position of current of Kartikeya? Fifth. Now we have to put this Kartikeya in between Sahiba and Nitin because they have asked us Kartikeya. Okay, so if Kartikeya stands in between Sahiba and Nitin, what will be the position of this Kartikeya? So we will see. Gagan is first, Madhvi is second, Sahiba is third, Kartikeya is fourth. So our answer is fourth. Okay, Kartikeya is standing on fourth position. Okay, now children, one more question is there. Practice at home. Okay, this you have to do the practice at home. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Okay, here some floors are there, and this is ground floor. Okay, on each floor some of them they are living. Okay, but on this floor no one is living and no name is also there, so this floor is blank. Okay, see, on first floor Miss Chandra is there, on second floor Mr. Kapoor is there, Miss Narang is there on third floor, Miss Barka is there on fourth floor, Mr. Anmol is there on fifth floor, Mr. Patel is on sixth floor, Miss Annie is on seventh floor, no one is on eighth floor, Miss Vaishnavi is on ninth floor, and Mr. Bajaj is on 10th floor. So here are 10th floor is there, and this is a new building. They came for living in their respective flats. Okay, and no one is there on 8th floor. So now what the exactly questions are there, that we will see first. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. We have to just fill up the blanks. First question is, how many floors are there in this building? So now only we have counted that total 10 floors are there. Okay, because this last one is ground floor, we cannot count this. We will start from first, that is Miss Chandra's floor. Then how many floors are occupied? That we seen that total 10 floors are there and no one is on 8th floor, so in total 9 floors are occupied. How many floors are unoccupied? Means ऐसा कौन सा फ्लोर है जिसके ऊपर कोई भी नहीं रहता है, सॉरी, ऐसा कौन सा फ्लोर है, ऐसे कितने फ्लोर्स है कि जिसके अंदर कोई भी नहीं रहता है, ऐसे कितने फ्लोर्स है, हाउ मेनी फ्लोर्स वर देयर इन दैट नो वन इज लिविंग, सो इट इज only one is there, this one. Miss Mr. Chandra lives on the first floor. See here, Mr. Chandra living on first floor. On which floor does Mr. Kapoor live? Mr. Kapoor is living, this is first, so exactly this one is the second floor, so we will write here SECOND. Once children you learn that number spellings of ordinal numbers na, it is easy for you. So you can answer any type of questions and you can write the spellings also. Who lives on the third floor? This is first, second and third. Miss Narang. Okay, Miss Narang. So we will write our answer Miss Narang. Okay. Then Miss Vaishnavi lives on the dash floor. Miss Vaishnavi lives on which floor? Now we have to count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Miss Vaishnavi is living on ninth floor. Okay, so we can write in this way also, because this is also a way of writing ordinal numbers. The last question is Miss Barkha wants to meet Mr. Patel. Okay, Miss Barkha, here Miss Barkha is there and she is living on the fourth floor. Okay, she is living on the fourth floor, but she will have to go from the fourth. She will have to go from the fourth floor to the which floor Mr. Patel is living on. She is living on Miss Barkha is living on fourth floor, and Mr. Patel is living on here 5 and here 6th. Here 6th floor. So she has to go on 6th floor. Okay. So this is your answer. In this way you can write the answers. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.